Good evening, friends. Vidapala. Chapter 18 groundwater. So inside this chapters introductions, groundwater explorations, groundwater and man wells, source of groundwater springs, hydrological cycle, engineering considerations, zonal distribution of surface water, groundwater potentials of India's and water bearing qualities of rocks, freshwater crisis, artesian aquifers, groundwater estimates, different rock as aquifer. Typical question in this chapter: discuss mode of occurrence and method of flow of a surface water. So please make a diagrams with a point, with labeling, and give an account of the various properties and functions of aquifers. Classify different rock as aquifer. Question thirds divided in two parts, A and B. So what is the difference between free groundwater and artesian water? B questions explains various geological characters that have to be established before a water supplies project from an artesian source is approved. Question 4 give an accounts of different method used for exploration of groundwater reserve. Question 5 write brief note on water tables, count of depressions, pressed water, drawdowns curve, widows, water's resistivity, log, piezometric surface, descending springs. Question 6 write an essay on groundwater and engineering practice. Question 7 take the right answer. This is optional types questions. A groundwater is defined as, so read carefully every point, all that waters which occur in the pores of the soils and rock below the surface of the ground. Second, all that waters which occurs above the water tables below the surface. Third, all that waters which occurs below the water table in the pores and opening of rock which are fully saturated within with it. Fourth options none of the above. So answer A is thirds, all that water which occur below the water table in the pores and openings of rocks which are fully saturated with it. Question B an aquifer. An aquifer is a rocks formations which is options select porous and not necessarily permeable, porous and essentially permeable, and highly porous and impermeables, and none of these. B answer is second, porous and essentially permeable. C perched water table is a term used for secondary water tables determined much above the main water tables and created due to a local occurrence of impervious lens shaped rock in an otherwise porous and permeable strata. And questions option second level of the water in the capillary fringe which occur above the means water tables in the rocks of a very fine grain size. Third, the level of a subsurface water in the rocks which are rich in saline water derived from the connate source at the times of their depositions. And fourth is none of these. So C answer is first, secondary water tables determined much above the main water tables and created due to a local occurrence of impervious lens shaped rock in an otherwise porous and permeable strata. Question D, sorry, yeah, see answer. Or question D, the exploitable groundwater reserves of India are estimated at between 74 to 80 million hectares per year, 12 to 18 million hectare per year, 42 to 48 million hectare per year, greater than 100 million hectares per year. Question so answer D is third, 42 to 48 million hectare per year. 8 answer question in detail. So an aquifer is a storage reservoirs, a conductor conduit and filters all at the same time. So critically examines the statement with the suitable field examples. Question 9 classifies geological formation in various areas with respect to potential for groundwater supplies as excellent, good, fair and poor based on your knowledge of water bearing properties, giving reasons in each case. So A question 9 is divided into A, B, C part. So A, sedimentary basins made up of inclined layers of a coarse grained sandstone exposed in a humid areas. B, levels plain in humid region made of a considerable thickness of shell. C, an extremely deep hilly region made of limestone and conglomerate, all porous and highly permeable for more than 200 to 300 meter. Thank you. Like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.